Hello guys, just a very quick update video because apparently the scammers can be super resourceful and creative. Here we are seeing one of their ads, one of their recent ads. It says notification because of security issues for upcoming users. You can no longer manage ad accounts in the browser, but switch to using a more professional and secure tool. Download it right here, and they have obviously this domain, or maybe it's just a link that goes to another domain. In order for you to work to be uninterrupted, please download and use it now. The new manager is packed with new features that are able to reach your target audience better and automatically optimize ads better. And they have just over there one image. First of all, Facebook is not going to do an ad in order to inform you about something. They're going to put a notification to the programs. Secondly, when you see someone from Meta pushing you to do something like for example, download something, or maybe over here as they say that you're not going to be able to do ads anymore or whatever. Just understand most probably it's a scam. It's a scam that several people have sent me messages with and one post on my group, and I can tell you that it's a total scam after watching closely a little bit of it. And don't fall for it. And keep into your mind that it's coming from this page, which is called Meta Ads. I don't know how Facebook is actually letting them do these kind of things, the scammers, and most probably they are hacking accounts and they're putting all of these ads there. So if you think that this is coming from one other account, it's not. It's coming from several other accounts that they're hacking. They put whatever ad they want. Then they try to hack more other accounts and so on. And that's all I had for you. Just don't fall for it. Be careful. It's just another scam. Don't download stuff on your PC for ads and stuff. Everything is happening online. Have a nice day and be careful out there.